guys, let's go and learn about the technical matters. We learn about fundamentals, but what technicals do? Technical is the opinion that says that the price is going from sinus and cosinus and the mathematicals. It says that everything is mathematicals and we can calculate them. Like this, like what, for example, they say that we have the trend line that we draw it like this, and whenever the trend line is broken, the price is going to be dropped down. We call it pullback. Don't be afraid if you don't know anything about this. I say to you, it's not a tutorial, but I'm going to tell you about this. But just for now, let's say if the price go lower than this trend line, it's going to go down. We say yes, okay. We buy here, for example, and say if the price break this line, we are going to sell. You see the price is going up, and we sell here. And by drawing one line, we earn more than 3% in value. But the thing you never know is that how the trend line is sometimes going to destroy you. For example, let's see here, we are going, after seeing this line, we are going to draw a trend line here. We saw this line and we think it's going to rise. Here, we think it's going to rise. We create this and say it's going to rise. And we are agreed that it's going to rise. But the important thing is that when we buy here, for example, we buy here, and it broke the trend line here, we are going to sell absolutely. We buy here and we buy here. Let me make it visible with some shapes. The brush is good. We buy here and we are going to sell when it broke the trend line. We sell here. What is happening? We are going to make less than 1% profit, and we are negative because of the fees. But as you see, the price is going upper and upper, and we are going to lose because of this trend line. And we can't make any trend line to be fit here. And if we want, we lose a lot of money. Technical is something that's going to work using math and some theoretical formula that we use. We are going to use something technical here, but don't forget that I don't really believe in fundamental or technical because I don't understand why this line is going to work. If it's easy and this line is going to work, why we only have a little traders in the world that are succeed and more of them are broke and don't even make a little money? Because of that, I have a faith maybe something is wrong or something is not the one they are telling to us. Okay, it's a good info about technical. We are going to learn more in the next lesson. I think we are going to learn about what in the next lesson? I forgot it, but we are going to learn about something important in the next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, have a good time. Don't